Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the home screen in this device. For this, tap and hold on the home screen. Then tap on the edit button on the top left side. Then tap on customize. So here you can see some options: light, dark, automatic, tint. So now the light theme is selected. If you want to go to the dark theme, so here I am going to select the option dark. Now you can see the icon color is also changed and the wallpaper color is also changed. Automatic and tint. So in this tint we can customize the color. You can see color of that particular app icon. You can change the color. You can see. Otherwise you can select, you can pick any color from the wallpaper also. For this, tap on the option pick button. You can see the option, right? Color picker. Tap on this one and you can select any color from your device on wallpaper. Now you can see the icon color is changed. So here I am going to select the color, this one. Now you can see. So simply in this way you can customize the home screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.